I didn't actually have a cold. I was just pretending. And did you get the idea of what today's topic is? That's right. Why do we cough and sneeze when we have a cold? And to get infected by this topic. When we catch a cold, the disease-causing germs reaches the respiratory tract. Well, you all know what mucus is, right? The icky, gooey thing that comes out after we cough, right? Well, what does it do? It builds up and blocks the bronchia. What is the bronchia? Those are branch-like tubes that lead inside the lungs. So, the mucus clogs the bronchia. What does the body try to do? The body tries to get rid of these germs. How? By coughing vigorously and throwing the germs out forcefully. Same thing with sneezing, only the mucus comes out forcefully through our nose. So, see ya, and don't forget to like my video, follow my account on Instagram and Facebook.